Good morning from Quincy. We're at Montilius right now. We're gonna head over to 339 Quarry Street to meet with the developer.
We're here with one of the developers, Vinny from VR, who's gonna give us a little bit of an update on the project.
We're making progress on site work, EMPs are signed off, and we're getting ready for insulation.
These 4 luxury townhouses come with 2 beds, 2 full baths, and 2 half baths, plus a flex room, all with a nice modern design.
Limited units are available. Make sure you reserve yours before they hit the market.